Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Nestled in the beautiful Montérégie region of Quebec, Saint-Philippe is a charming town just a short drive from Montreal. It's part of the La Prairie County and sits near the St. Lawrence River, offering both rural tranquility and easy access to urban amenities. Saint-Philippe has a rich agricultural history, and farming continues to play a big role in the local economy. Many of the surrounding fields grow crops like corn and soybeans, reflecting the town's deep-rooted farming heritage. This area is also dotted with small businesses and local shops, adding to its inviting small-town charm. The town has grown steadily over the years, balancing modern development with preserving its peaceful countryside. Whether you're driving through or spending the day exploring, Saint-Philippe is a delightful spot to experience Quebec's natural beauty and friendly hospitality.
Thanks for watching!